Hi guys, this is August here with Blaster Boards, and today we are doing an unboxing of the Nerf Rival Artemis XVII 3000, or also known as the XVII 3000, depending on how good your Latin is. Looks really neat. I definitely want to have a battle, so let's check it out. There it is. It even stands up on its own. We also have directions here. Artemis, got the integrated magazine, the trigger obviously, the pump handle. It actually has a trigger lock, so it has a safety on it. That's pretty impressive. Let's load it up. Let's see if I can do it without the directions first. Famous first mistake. Needs to read anything, right? So, looks like just load in the top here and the side. Each one of these barrels has its own little chamber that opens up. Let's see if that works. You're gonna have to point it the right way first. That works. That fires. I don't know if you saw it. That fires pretty good. I'm not gonna fire at the cameraman, but I will fire close. That's, yeah. So I'm gonna fire it at one of our bunkers. It definitely hits pretty hard. Let's see how it does. So this is our Blaster Boards bunker pack, and with that you get all the parts that are seen here in the box, and while they nest down pretty small, they do build exactly this right here. So let's put on a target and see how it works with the Artemis. All right, these are some of the first prototypes. Let's check it out. Does pretty well. So, as you can see, your bunker is going to protect you. The Artemis is a great way to try to get anyone behind the bunker. And these are the Blaster Boards. Thanks, guys.